And we have a lot of Indigenous listeners on this program and on Tell Me Law, and in particular we have a lot of young lawyers listening to our episodes together. Just say there's a young lawyer that might have just finished at law school, listening to this program, and you were to give them sort of some words of wisdom and advice, what would you say to them?
Well, one thing, recognise that the law is a very hard taskmaster. It's hard work, it's very hard work. But if you're prepared to do the hard work, success will come, there's no question, because that hard work will be recognised. I've always said the law is 99% application, 1% brilliance. There's a lot of people walking around thinking they're geniuses. It's no substitute for hard work, and never will be, and it's no substitute for success. And I've been around a long time. I've seen a lot of success and a lot of failure. 99% of the success is hard work, in my view.
That point about hard work, I think, is an excellent point. That's a really great principle that can carry across other industries as well.
In other industries, there's no shortcut. You have to put in the hours, you have to put in the time, and at the end of the day, that's when practice makes perfect. As some people say, I don't know if I got it right, but because I'm more French speaking, sometimes when I translate items in another language, I get it the other way around.
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, practice makes perfect. It's a great catchphrase, if I may say so, Bertrand.
Mm-hmm.
As a barrister, you learn techniques for effective presentation of a case, both in terms of presenting your case and cross-examining witnesses and getting evidence from your own witnesses, cross-examining witnesses on the other side, and then summarising your case. And those techniques are perfected by practice. So going into court and running those cases, you can rely on those practices to get you through, and the more you do it, the better you are at it, undoubtedly. It also takes judgment. You must have done the work and have the facts in your mind ready to trot out for your use. But getting into court and doing it you just see it. I mean, I don't consider myself to be a particularly fantastic barrister, and you do see brilliant people who are naturally brilliant, and you do see them. They are wonderful to watch. They can think on their feet. Very, very good barristers. But if you're prepared to put in the hours and practice your profession, you can be a very effective barrister, in my view.
What are the most important leadership lessons you've learned through law, and how has it helped you?
I suppose there's three. The first I've already referred to, which is, you've simply got to do the work. And as the leader, whether you're alone in court or whether you have a junior or whether you are the junior with the leader, you must know what the case and all the details of the case. The second thing is, I think everybody makes mistakes, and most mistakes can be rectified. People lose their cool, blow their top. I've done it. I'm no saint. But most mistakes can be rectified, and they really ultimately don't matter much, really. And three, I think the consequence of that recognition is that stay calm is the other leadership thing. As the leader, you've got to be able to stay calm, take the tornadoes as they come through, and take the good times as they come through, and make the most of both the good and the bad.